Hello everybody, I watched a video about ICT in education. Why use ICT in education? This video is so important for us because we can see of the use ICT. Teacher, educator, trainer, professor can use ICT in education for learning strategy to teach the student. The second video showed the teacher and a student in class. He used technological resources to innovate in his math class. Besides, we can see the reaction of the student and they were happy. Both videos are interesting and we invite to use ICT in education to facilitate teaching and learning. First video, I show some ICT tools that the teacher can use equipment such as internet, camera, projector, smartphone, monitor, software, and we can use in the class with the student. Second video, I can see the advantage that the teacher had when use ICT tool. In this case, the teacher used equipment such as a projector, computer, and the internet, and he managed to make his students have fun and learn in the class. Suggestion for a better use of the ICT inside the classroom. Show online videos related to the lesson. Use the live worksheet to work in class, teacher and student. We should train and note tools and equipment to facilitate learning and teach to the student in the classroom. Thank you for your attention.